got it.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to your daily stock report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Cathy Rankin, and for Tuesday, February 27th, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets as well as the top movers to look out for today. In our headline news, so much for kicking off a fresh new week on a positive note, as underlying worries about the pace of economic growth, valuation concerns, and a lack of key leadership offset a slate of encouraging merger and acquisition news. Before the opening bell, it seemed as though the blue chip indices would snap a three-day losing streak as investors finally applauded some Monday morning deal making. TXU Corporation soared more than 13% to an all-time high after agreeing to be taken private for $45 billion. That qualified it as the largest private equity deal ever. Reports that Dow Chemical could get a leveraged buyout bid worth up to $54 billion in the next few weeks further underscored that there is still a lot of liquidity on the sidelines. However, since the latter deal has not been confirmed and the TXU deal merely prompted industry-wide takeover speculation in one of the S&P 500's least influential sectors, investors weren't overly convinced that stocks as a whole remain attractively valued, especially after such an impressive run-up since bottoming out last July. As a reminder, the broader market has not retreated as much as 2% since the rally began, again leaving many to believe a correction or consolidation is long overdue. Adding insult to injury, former Fed Chairman Alan Greenspan suggesting the possibility of a recession later this year left investors revisiting the historical significance of an inverted yield curve and its ability to precede U.S. economic downturns. Greenspan's comments, coupled with NABE predicting the slowest economic growth for the U.S. in 5 years and an expected downward revision to the originally reported 3.5% GDP for fourth quarter number on Wednesday, also left valuations vulnerable in economically sensitive areas like consumer discretionary, the day's worst performing S&P sector, and technology. In our small cap news today, Compressed Technologies Incorporated announced today that CTLG's North American FMSCA licensee Ludwig Enterprises Incorporated has entered a joint venture partnership with New Century Services Incorporated for deployment of CTLG's FMSCA technology into Mexico. Compressed Technologies Incorporated has garnered a group of patented and protected core technology solutions utilizing both hardware and software applications designed to greatly improve the efficiencies of bandwidth and network topographies for the cable TV, FMSCA radio, satellite, and wireless industries. Previously at 15 cents a share, Compressed opens up 60% this morning at 24 cents a share. GS Carbon Corporation announced late last month that they have partnered with the NFL Environmental Program and Florida Power and Light Sunshine Energy Program for business customers to make the coming Super Bowl and NFL Experience Football Theme Park both 100% renewable energy events. This year's NFL Championship is the first Super Bowl ever to use 100% renewable energy. GS was founded to facilitate decarbonization in ways that cost-effectively capitalize on the evolving carbon markets. GS Carbon's ambition is to effect reductions in the carbon intensity of energy consumption by investing in carbon trading, developing and commercializing advanced new decarbonization technologies. Previously at 25 cents a share, GS opens today up 52% at 38 cents a share. Global Diamond Exchange Incorporated announced last Wednesday that the Russian government has lifted the existing ceiling on the company's rough exports, allowing Global to export rough stones with or without polishing and cutting, and opening the door for additional business. The new decree gives the company flexibility to match the customer's demands without consideration to scheduling and availability of the local Russian cutters. Previously at 5 cents a share, Global opens today up 140% at 12 cents a share with over 104 million shares traded by yesterday's bell. And that's it for the newsmakers today. Be sure to join us every market day for the latest commentary on small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. Also, be sure to join us for the Quality Stocks daily newsletter available each trading day through QualityStocks.net. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Cathy Rankin. Have a great day, and we'll see you again tomorrow on the Daily Report.
You've got it.